If you're a curvy girly and you're struggling to find clothes for your size, then trust me, this video is especially for you. Hi, my name is Pemu Mukta and I make content around body positivity and fashion on my Instagram. I know how frustrating it is to find clothes that fits you perfectly, flatters your body, but today I'm gonna be spilling all the tea on where do I shop from, my favorite brands, and how I make fashion work for me. Honestly, as a curvy girly, finding clothes for my size, it's not easy at all, but my biggest secret has to be thrifting. Like, I thrift a lot and my sister owns a thrift business, so it's easy for me to find clothes from there. And yeah, so I'm gonna tell you guys all the brands that I have worked with and I have discovered through collaborations. So first, let's talk about my favorite brand. My favorite brand currently has to be Cider. Ever since I've discovered this brand, I wanted to work with them and they've sent me this PR package. I kind of manifested to work with them. So yeah, if you're looking for trendy tops, dresses, corsets, then you need to check this brand. It's little pricey, but trust me, it's worth every penny. And yeah, this is the top that I am wearing currently. It's from Cider itself. Moving on to jeans, I get a lot of questions on where do I shop my jeans from, but honestly, jeans are the hardest thing to find. But I mostly, my jeans are all thrifted. I don't have a go-to store for jeans, but if you're looking for recommendations, then I would recommend Frickins and Wear. Frickins, they sell exclusive quality of jeans and the jeans are really good. And Wear too, I discovered I discovered Wear 2 years back and the quality of the jeans is really good. These two jeans I thrifted. I get the good quality jeans from thrifting. If I had to shop my jeans from apart from thrifting, then it has to be Frickins and Wear. They sell amazing quality of jeans. Now moving on to tops, I have two main go-to stores for top. One is Savannah. Savannah, they sell trendy yet affordable pieces. I just love how affordable, trendy, Pinterest inspired pieces they have, from dresses to tops and everything. But for tops, I mostly recommend Savannah because this is the top that I got. It's asymmetrical and it's really good. The quality is also really good as compared to the price. And for basics, my go-to store has to be H&M because they have solid staples and it lasts long. So this is the top that I have from H&M. Now, if you love discovering new brands and you love supporting homegrown businesses, then you need to check these brands out because these are the brands that I have discovered through collaborations. And trust me, the quality, the pieces, everything is so good. And yeah, I cannot wait to show you guys the brands that I'm talking about. So the first brand has to be Label by Anuja. I mean, they have such pretty summer dresses, and if you're looking for that minimal yet stylish dresses, then trust me, Label by Anuja is a must-have for summers and it's perfect for everyday wear. The next brand I have is Inclusive Exclusive. I have to talk about this brand because this brand is owned by me and my sister. My sister does everything from designing to production, and our whole focus is on creating size inclusivity for curvy fashion that empowers confidence. This is the dress that I really love from our collection, and we have corsets, dresses and everything. This is a size inclusive brand and you need to check this brand too. If you're someone who loves trendy pieces, then you need to check out Next Find. They have the cutest collection from skirts, tops, corsets and everything. I've been working with this brand for so many years now and the prints never disappoints. I personally love this skirt collection. This is the skirt that I have, and also they have a full collection of formal trousers and waistcoats you need to check out. So the next brand is Shop Dairies. If you want dresses for parties, for birthdays or for farewells, then I think this is the perfect brand to check out. They have such pretty satin dresses, and yeah, this is the dress that I have from this brand. I just love the satin fabric. It's not cheap kind of satin, it's the exclusive kind of satin. So yeah, this is the brand that you need to check out. If you're a minimal girly, then you need to check out this brand called Lazo Stores. The dresses are really minimal, pretty, affordable, and I got this corset from this brand. I love the print and I just love how completely it sits on my body. Yeah, I just love this brand. Next, we have this brand called 91 Avenue. If you're a corset girly, then you need to check out this brand. This is how the corset looks like, and the prices are slightly expensive, but it's worth it. the quality is really good, like it's high quality. So this is the last brand that I have. It's called House of AG. You can see the vibrant colors. This screams summer. You need to check out. They have wide varieties from brunch dates to dinner dates to vacations and everything. That was it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog, and thank you so much for watching till the end. And if you guys have any other alternative brand recommendations, then do comment. I'll definitely check them out. So that was it. A very small quick recommendations from my end. I hope it was helpful, and I wanted to make this kind of video for the longest time, and I finally did it. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you guys in the next video.